Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Outlook to N8N step by step. Step 1. Log into your N8N instance and click on New Workflow. Step 2. Add a new node and search for Microsoft Outlook. Step 3. Go to Azure portal and register a new app under App Registrations. Step 4. Set redirect URL as this one. Step 5. Copy the application ID and secret, then paste them in your N8N credentials. Step 6. Authorize the OAuth connection when prompted. Step 7. Choose the operations that you want, such as send email or get emails. Step 8. Test the node to ensure everything is connected properly. And that's it. Outlook is now officially and fully connected to your workflow. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.